this exhibit, I would say it's a collaboration with me and the Design Era. So, Miss Amrita Deora she is the one who came up with the idea of Design Era, and I think what they've done is also very beautiful. And we felt that it's something unique, so we should work together. And as you can see, they focus on pop art, and we also focus on photography and also on like some of our artists and one of our international artists also. But we wanted a unified theme where it was like a little different, but at the same time not too contrasting. Also, I know that sounds like a little difficult to understand, but yeah, we wanted a unifying theme, but at the same time, we wanted to also uh, come together in a different way.
राइट कमिंग टू योर वर्क्स, आपके वर्क्स के बारे में कुछ बताइए। आपने और खुश ने
हाँ,
दोनों ने फोटोग्राफ्स
जी जी
एग्जिबिट किए।
जी। तो जैसा आप देख रहे हैं, ये फोटोग्राफ की एक कहानी है कि पहले आपको प्यार होता है, लव। उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि वॉज ऑल अ ड्रीम, मतलब कि क्या ये सपना था। फिर उसके बाद आपको एहसास होता है कि मुझे सच बोलना चाहिए और भागना चाहिए, टेल द ट्रूथ एंड रन। एंड अंत में बॉन वॉयज, मतलब आप अलविदा कहते हैं और आप निकल जाते हैं उनसे। तो दिस वाज माय थॉट बिहाइंड दिस इज अ स्टोरी। एंड उसके अलावा भी ये ये हर फोटोग्राफ अलग देश में लिया गया। जैसे पहला वाला मैंने लंदन में लिया था, दूसरा वाला दुबई में लिया था, तीसरा वाला हांगकांग मुंबई में लिया था, और चौथा वाला हांगकांग में लिया। पर तब भी मतलब कि चार अलग देशों से एक कहानी बन गई। तो मतलब आई दैट्स व्हाट आई एंजॉयड अबाउट दिस।
And how difficult, how easy was to curate the show along with Designera, because it's again, like you said, it's two different entities coming together
Yeah.
altogether.
So I think it went very well. There were no problems. It was very smooth. And again, I think when minds that can work together come together, it always turns out well. So I think that worked out very good for us. Yeah.
Because Kush is not here, would you like to tell us about this
Yeah.
photograph?
Okay, so this is a photograph. Kush is the director. ये उस टाइम से है जब वो assistant director होते थे, and this was taken on a movie set actually. So this is from a dance sequence of a movie, and again I won't mention who the artist is, but I think again it's all about capturing memories at the right time, right? Today we think because we have a phone, it's enough, but nahin, it's not enough. Of course, some people can only rely on the phone. I respect that, but I always say कि अगर आप मतलब अगर अपनी यादों को आप रखना चाहते हैं ठीक से, तो कैमरा लीजिए, like always. And I'm not selling it because a camera company pays me, but I sincerely believe that a camera is very important.
Right. And any parting thoughts?
I mean, I just hope you really like the exhibition, and we look forward to having a lot more for House of Creativity. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
तो एडिट करके इसके साथ लगा दें।
Yeah. And also, जैसा आप देख सकते हैं, all these beautiful artworks here, you can either check it out on houseofcreativity.in on the Design Era website. Thank you.